Somebody was really burning rubber. Look at that. Look at how they were burning the rubber there. And they got right down to their rim. Those are rim marks. So what happened is they blew a tire. And it was dragging the rubber. You see the marks in the road. Oh boy, I'm going to follow this. And he turned up there. Whoop. And he came. Hang on. Hang on. I'm curious. I'm curious. Hang on. That caught me by surprise. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to turn around here. Yep. Hang on. Here we go. Went up here. See the mark? Now there's 4 marks that are sort of in parallel. You can see them all the way up to the top of the hill. That's the Wesleyan Church right there. Then he went over to the left side of the road. Oh. Let's go up to the end here. I think I figured it out. I'm going to use this to turn around. Nobody coming. Nobody coming. Nobody coming both directions. Yeah. So where'd that mark begin? Sorry, we got the sun in the wrong angle now. What I think is, it had something to do with fixing the power poles. And they were dragging something. I think it has something to do with the power pole refurbishing, power pole electricity refurbishing, and they were dragging something. See how it went over to the left side of the road? It just had a mind of its own. Anyway, I'm going to climb Faith Rock Trail. See, there was some more power pole stuff right there. Here too. See it? They haven't picked. They may have dragged something like that. A couple of those. Steve A.B.4L, just me, Nosey. Headed to Riverside Park. Climb Faith Rock Trail for his heart health. By the beautiful deep river. Saying see you in 73.